Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. And let's have a get ready day with me. Morning, day, afternoon. I forgot what time it was when I recorded this video. But here you see me making the bed. It is the one thing that I do every day before I head out the house, before I get ready, before I do anything else. That is when I'm in the mood though, because if I am not in the mood to make the bed that day, guess what? The bed is not gonna be made. And that's okay, because we're human and we're not perfect. And my channel is not about to be a channel of perfection and, oh, my house never gets dirty. Oh, I always make the bed. It's a lie. If I show you that, it's a lie, okay? There's plenty of days where I get up and I'm not in the mood to make the bed. And so I don't make the bed. But yeah, majority of the time I do try to though, because it does help with my mental state. If my bed is made, then I feel like I'm going to have a good day and I'm going to be able to have just good progress throughout the house for that day. So yeah, here you see me fluffing, finishing, and we love it. Now I proceed to go into the bathroom to finish my self-care routine for the day, starting with my Veet waxing stripes. I do grow hair on my face. I started a few years ago and it just has gotten worse and worse as time has gone by. Yes, I've gone to the doctor. Yes, I've tried to do some things about it, but I guess some things just can't be fixed. So now I'm targeting weight loss to see if I can target the growth of hair on my face. If you want more details, if you want a more detailed video on what I do, how I do it, what I use, how I use it, let me know in the comments down below and I can make that video for you. So yeah, here I am waxing my face. Honey, the struggle is real. Oh my gosh. Why me, bruh? Why me? But it's okay. We're gonna wax my face. Get rid of all of these hairs. We don't need a beard in this house, honey. No. And I'm just going back and forth. And the reason why I use that mirror out there is because there's more lighting and I can get really close to it. If I were to use a bathroom mirror, I couldn't get as close to see what I'm doing up close and personal. And then I'm going to proceed to do my mustache. I do not wax my mustache. I like to use cream hair removal, in this case, Nair. This is their new packaging, which I am obsessed with. I don't know how long they've been out with this packaging, but I've been missing out. Yeah, so I'm applying it to my face and I'm going to leave it for about 5 minutes. And always clean the top. I always clean the top. I don't like a messy top on any of my products. So I always clean the top and close it so it's nice and ready for my next use. Yeah, and then next we're gonna go ahead and use the Veet finishing wipes that comes with the Veet waxing stripes, and it's just basically like a wipe with like finishing oil on it so you can get rid of any excess wax on your skin. And so we're gonna go ahead and clean that really nice. Make sure we get rid of all the wax, and then we're gonna go ahead and proceed and remove my my mustache. Why am I looking like that? I'm doing the voiceover and then washing me, and it's just the funniest thing. But yeah, I'm using in this case my Radiante by Maria face cleaning pads, the best face cleansing pads I've ever used. I am obsessed with them. I love them. I bought 2 packs, which each bring 2 pads, but I want to get 2 more just because they're amazing and I love them. And I don't like to reuse cleansing pads all the time. I like to wash them in between, so that's why I like to have a lot of them. I also was using a little bit of my face cleansing cleanser to get rid of the excess oil, and then also the stashi. I didn't show you guys the one that I was using. It is by Dr. Ross I forgot the name, but I'm not a big fan of it. If my face cleansing cleanser doesn't make suds, I don't like it. And I feel like it's not like a soap. Like I want it to be like a soap. Soapy and sudsy and just makes me feel like I actually really clean myself. So that's why I really didn't show it, because I don't like it. So I'm not gonna share something that I feel like I don't like. Yeah, so right now we're just rinsing without having to splash water in my face. And why do I keep saying we? Well, but you get the point. Yeah, wiping my face, getting rid of all the excess product, cream, and all of that stuff that I just used to remove all of my facial hair. And making sure I rinse out my pad thoroughly and leave it out to dry after I'm done wiping one more time. And that's usually what I do to get rid of all of my hair, facial hair. It sucks. Some of us have more than others. Some of us girls have the unfortunate beard, but you gotta deal with it how you gotta deal with it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do a little bit of skincare, starting with my toner, my rose toner, and I just apply that all over my face and pat it in a little bit. Then I use my moisturizer to moisturize my face and go ahead and massage that in really quickly. I don't take long to do my skincare. It's like 1, 2, 3. I know they say sometimes you have to leave your skin absorb for 5 minutes each stage and this and that, but honey, we don't got the time for that. This is real life, okay? I'm opening a brand new bottle of my favorite sunscreen. I got this sunscreen from Radiante by Maria.com as well. Forgot to take the seal off. But yeah, I got it there and I love it because it doesn't have any makeup on it, meaning, those SUV protectors that have like tints in it so that it doesn't leave a white cast. This one doesn't have that. It's just to protect it itself, but it still does not leave a white cast, and it doesn't leave your face too greasy, which is something that I absolutely hate. This is my third bottle. The other one just finished. I have to order more because I don't like to run out of my sunscreen. I love using my sunscreen every day to protect my face, my hands, and any area of my body that's going to be visible for that day if I'm leaving the house. But I still do use it while in the house, not just when I go out. But I mean, like, if I'm wearing like a low cut shirt or short sleeve and whatnot. So yeah, that's my little skincare routine. There's more to it than that, but a lot of the products that I usually use are done, and that's why it's so short and I just have a few. So before I head out, I'm gonna go ahead and prep my baby's bottle bag. This is a bag I got on Amazon. I'm gonna link it down below if you guys are, in case you guys are interested. So I start by pulling out bottles of water for me. This case, me. Usually it's my husband and I, but it's just me that's gonna go out with my mom. Actually, totally forgot. But yeah, going out with my mom. And then I put the ice pack out, which is really cool. It fits up to 6 bottles. So I put my baby's bottle of water, my bottles of water, and her milk bottle, which I always forget. Oh, no. That one is for her to drink right there and then. And yeah, that's my morning before I leave the house. I'm gonna go ahead and feed baby girl right before I put her in the stroller so that she's not cranky. And I'm waking her up early too for this. So I want to make sure that she's fed and calm and stays nice and asleep in her stroller. And I love this stroller because it's so easy to put away. It just folds really nicely. Highly recommend. We'll link it down below for you guys as well. And now I'm gonna make sure that I have everything. And yeah, that was me realizing I am running late. But before I leave, I wanted to open her new stroller fan. I usually don't like her getting hot, especially because I'm in Florida and the weather is so humid and hot. And I had a pink one, but I gave that one away because I wanted an all black one. I'm not too much into colors that get really dirty when it comes to a baby, so I wanted to make sure that I got her a black one. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.